Beep bop. Is that all you've got to say? Gets on my nerves. Gets on my. Okay. Okay. Say something different. And now for
very
something
funny.
completely different. I gotta tidy up. Plus, we got a wasp in here. I'm gonna give this a quick tidy up, and then we're gonna do. We're gonna polish this up to see if I can get out any spondoolies. So cut the arms off. Psst. That way we can buff it up. So that's the job. I haven't got the steel to finish off the muncher concha. So we'll put that over there a minute, and we'll just give this a quick. I only need this much. I only need this much. People got like big massive bands. I got this much, but I survive. Now apparently the haters don't like me making fun of them. I don't know why. I don't know why. I think everybody should have an hater. So yeah, every time you say hater, you got to do that from now on, alright? Ooh, that's a hater. So, okay, let me shut you off. I'll clean this up. We'll get on with it. Ow. We'll cut off these two. Cut off these two awns. Alright, you don't call it an awn, you call it spruce or some fucking shit. I don't know, I don't fucking care. I don't like cutting aluminium. What's going on? What's going on? Hey, what's going on here, man? Okay. Fucking lungs. As long as you get more than halfway, they do snap off. You bastard. Oh, there it was. Look, I knew I fucking had one. Too fucking late now. Get enough. Ah, sorry. I'll stick a bit of sellotape on it after. That'll be alright. Right, as you see, that's hot. I just noticed, and it's. Well, I found something you can do at last, have you? Well done, thank you. He's a good boy when he wants to be. Good boy. I don't think he's a boy. I think he's a fucking twazak. But what I'm trying to do is get this fin and leave the bird body fat. Is what the plan is, without burning myself too much. I don't mind a bit of burning, but I don't want too much of burning. Now let's just well, that's pretty fucking good. A bit more on this side. I'm happy with that. I managed to get all the pits out. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, is getting the pit marks out. And then we can then work on it to get it equally equal. Right, I think we're happy with that. I should bring that water thing a bit closer, I think. No. Oh God. Don't show him that, for fuck's sake. It feathers out. It goes thinner. It's supposed to, isn't it? We used to call that perks. Engineering. When I worked for Kimbran Engineering, they used to make aeroplane bearings, wheel bearings, and all the swarf, because it was brass, all the swarf would go into a 45-gallon drum for the Christmas weigh-in. So yeah, it was a good perk, and I was young then. Good God, I was young then. We'll try and take some of the cat lines out. This is a big, bulky, fucking horrible thing, isn't it? These are cheap gardening gloves, I think, but they got thick rubber on there. Rubber. I'm a rubber man. I watched the boys making them knives and things, you know. And they're doing this for hours. I just haven't got that sort of patience. Two hours later, the plan was to put a thing on the thingy and use these. Now this, see how big they are? Another Chinatown. Con. Because when I saw this, it looked to be about that big. With the pad you put on the drill as well. I don't know where the pad is. I think I saw how far I could throw it, but they got a habit of taking pictures and making things look big, and they're not. They're little tiny bastard things. What did I buy the other day? Which come bigger than I thought it was. Opposite. I thought, oh, strange. Obviously not from Japan. Unless they use little cameras, like, you know, them little. I just haven't got the patience for this sort of thing, you know. I'm a power tool man. Everywhere you see my eyes, all the time I'm looking for an easier way out, and I don't know where it is. A little pad to fit these, I could put it in a drill and that can help me out a little bit. Well, I done 3. Fuck, there's a splinter in there, bastard of a bastard. So the haters have probably Heating away there. The poor little jealous little fuckers. Poor little jealous fuckers. There's a technique to this one. See, a hater could have done this in about 4 fucking minutes. Because he got the wrist power, you know. Do you really wanna hate me? Do you really wanna make me cry? As you know, this camera, if you saw the other video, this camera is a new cheapie. I bought no end of expensive cameras and I got fed up of it because they don't last long enough to my eyeballs. So I bought a cheapie one, and I mean cheap. I bought a cheap one. I've noticed the volume is not very good on it. You've got to be right onto it to get your sound up. I can alter the sound obviously in the editor. I bet the haters are keeping in time with this. Probably pretending it's my hand. I suppose if you want to get into this business, you've got to be able to do this. So it's going to be a very short-lived business, I can tell you that much. I have a blister by there, I know. I can't do it left-handed, I don't think. That's getting there, isn't it? Just how much time you got, and how much this you got left. This is falling apart. Perhaps there's an easier way of doing this. I'll ask my friends. Is there an easier way of doing this? Yes. Let somebody else do it. Without buying anything. I just can't afford nothing else. I'm fucking skint. I spent out well over too much eating. We had to eat one of the dogs this week. I hate using this machine because it sends all little like microfiber stuff and it affects my nose. Oh, does it? Yes, it does. It's getting there, but I'm not. I think if you win this at the raffle, you can finish it yourself. I'm going to spray it black now. And so what I got is quick drying paint jet black, especially for blacksmiths. And I hope there's enough in there, otherwise I'm going to look stupid. If you want to make a fool of somebody, if you want to make a fool of someone. Come on, tell me you sang that. If you want to make a fool of somebody. That's all the words I know. But I know who sang it. I think it would be selfish not to let the new owner polish it itself, you know. So I've done as far as I'm going. I just haven't got the arm power of a hater, and that's as far as I can go, lads. I mean, you know, that's half a day. If somebody wants to tell me what to buy for this sort of keeper, the sander or the sanding discs or whatever you want to call them, I don't fucking know. You know, buffer type thing. So that's it. Signed, sealed, delivered. It's yours. Hope somebody will want this in the raffle. I got a few splinters to dig out. Apart from that, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget the raffle is getting really close now. Really close. Will you look at that, man? Will you look at that, man? I feel like a bag of fucking bones. Like a tramp. I need a shave. Style there. Get home, have a bath. Shave. Look my best. Who knows? Live night is very soon. There's a button on this new thing, man. Oh, it's blurry to me. Obviously not. Probably.
Thank you.